So here we are back at it again. So my friend Mohsin, he had to take care of some matters. He had some relatives visiting him in Lahore, so he had to go. He had to actually quit from the plan. So we just had some drinks, some juices, some fresh juices, and now I'm headed to the motorway to go to Sheikhupura and meet my friend Saqib. Really excited for that part. Inshallah, we are gonna have a very good time. And this visit to the Hiran Minar, it's also overdue. So let's see how it all goes. Inshallah, hoping to reach there on time. There you see Lahore. Look at this truck making a wrong turn. But here we go. How's everything on your side? I hope all of you are in the best of health, wealth, love and happiness in your lives. So now I will meet you on the motorway. The Ravi. So what I was saying is we are at Ravi and you can see the water in the Ravi. It's mostly polluted water anyways. And now we are on to the Lahore motorway. Lahore Islamabad motorway. Let's go. Hopefully we are gonna reach in time. Here we go. Now we ought to pace up. Actually, at this time, there's a new exit on the motorway. It's the Kot Pindi. It wasn't there before, so I wouldn't need to go to Sheikhupura. I can go to the Kot Pindi and then from there go on to the Lahore motorway, this GT road, and then go on to the bypass to KFC where my friend is coming. Although we are not planning to go to KFC, but here we go. So we will meet you up ahead. So if we go from Kot Pindi, we might actually go from the road where I used to work. We'll see about that. I'm not going to go to my old workplace though, but if we pass from there, I'll show you the scenes as well. So well, this is the new Kot Pindi exit. Leads to the factory where I used to work. Very good for them that they now have this provision of actually exiting from here. Otherwise before they used to go from Kot Abdul Malik and then from there on to the GT road and then to Qila Sattar Shah. See, Qila Sattar Shah, we have quite a lot of memory with it. I used to work around there. Oh goodness, look at these fields. Oh, wow. And the sunset, Mumtaz. How beautiful. So this is the new one. Kot Pindi. let us see the map. So we take right from here. This is gonna be the road that leads to my old workplace. Actually, I have traveled on this road as well. It used to be an alternate route if there was a blockage on the motorway, but here we are. I wasn't intending to go from here. I was planning to go from Sheikhupura, but well, the thing is that here this one is actually more convenient and more like shorter than the Sheikhupura one. They also have a PSO pump over here. That's very nice. Whoever made it here, kudos to them, because this road really needed one. You see, seems like a new one. Cute little donkeys. Wow, this is awesome. Feels nostalgic. Anyways, so if they have the motorway exit from here as well, I think even the heavy traffic also uses this road now to come to the factories over here. So that is actually even more better. That's nice. So as we go down the road, I'll share the memories that I have from the place. And Alhamdulillah, I am also recording these memories. This is the this is the railway line, and what I can tell you about this is that down the line there's the Mughal steel factory. So their factory is strategically located at, check this out, at such a wonderful place that they have the line and this railway line, and all the shipments that come from Karachi, they also conveniently drop off near the Mughal steel factory. Whatever they want, it can come conveniently to them from the Karachi port. So this was an interesting one. There are a few settlements over here. Sher Shah Industrial Zone Phase 2. This didn't used to be back here 2 years ago. I feel like I would come across someone that I know, because around this time people leave from the factory, so maybe like the cars that are going, people might be going back. So these are the scenes. This is a little village over here, and there's the Sarena factory. I will definitely tell my friend Saqib about it, and I will share the video with him. Wait a second. What's this? This is some other industrial zone. Okay. What do we have over here? Oh, who's this? There will be a road that will go into Sarena Textile Industries. This is some other factory. Hadid, Pakistan. Hadid in Arabic is steel. Okay, where's the road? Come on. In the meanwhile, check out the scenery over here. Oh goodness, what are they doing over there? They are burning the fields or what? Actually, the Sarena factory itself is quite big. So I think this is the back door that goes to the apparel unit. Yeah, there's the apparel unit. I'll try to slow down over here to show you. So the buildings that you see over there, they belong to Sarena. What a wonderful place it has been for me. This is a settlement. Now this road's is this the one? No. Oh, this ain't the one. It should be up ahead. Okay, so here we are. So this road itself leads to Sarena. I remember the very first time I came, I was on a bike. I came from here. So this road from here, it goes to Sarena. This road goes inside. The factory is over there. I could go there, but I wouldn't want to go there. The people I want to meet, I can meet outside. And this is the Qila Sattar Shah stop. See, if that guy that is going over there, he's in Sarena's uniform. So he was coming over here. So how do I recognize that? By the uniform itself. It used to be green. So when I worked there used to be like 5,000 people working there. So here we are at the Qila Sattar Shah stop. We have to take a U-turn up ahead. Once we turn left, and then we'll have to take it. So the very first time I came, I stopped over here. There was some sort of like factory outlet or something, not like an official one, but they were selling some factory materials and all that. So I took some. I wanted to take something from there, but I didn't because it wasn't like that good. So then I went to the factory for the interview and all. So I got selected and things went really fine. And well, after that I spent like 3 years in Sarena, a little bit less than 3 years. So anyways, we are here now. This is the Qila Sattar Shah stop, a very busy stop, and this used to be my daily place through where I commuted. So we used to come from here, take the U-turn and come back here, because there wasn't the Kot Pindi road, this exit. And on our way back we used to come from here and go to the Kot Abdul Malik interchange, and then from there we used to go back. Anyways, here we are, and inshallah we are gonna take a turn and we are gonna go back to Sheikhupura bypass. What is this? Oh goodness. The truck seems broken. We have to be like very careful while we are here. My friend is calling me, so let us talk to him. हाँ साकिब जानी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाँ यार, मैं ये ना पहुंच गया हूँ, ये बाईपास के करीब पहुंच रहा हूँ। मैं क्या, अब आवाज़ आ रही है अब? हेलो, so he cancelled and now we are going to the bypass. साकिब अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसा है? मैं ना बाईपास के पास आ रहा हूँ। जानी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाँ, मैं बाईपास के करीब पहुँच रहा हूँ। बाईपास के करीब पहुँच रहा हूँ। 10 मिनट, 10 किलोमीटर 12 मिनट। ठीक है, पढ़ ले हाँ 12 मिनट में वो उधर ही पहुँचना है। वो KFC ही है ना, एक ही है ना? हाँ बत्ती चौक का तो मुझे पता है, ठीक है बत्ती चौक ठीक है, हो गया। वो जो शेखपुरा से बाहर है बाईपास, अच्छा बत्ती चौक आना, लोकेशन भेजो। ओके हाँ ठीक है, ओके ओके जानी, मैं पहुंच गया। ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़। We are gonna take Saqib's location. So I'll end the video here and we'll start when we meet Saqib.